So after striking it, after reflecting from M2, this light ray will go to the M1, isn't it? And it will get reflected. Is this okay? Due to this reflection also, there will be another image formed. That is I3, I think. Now, can anyone say that if this is I3, what is the object for it? What is the object for this I3? Any one of you, try to tell me. This is not the real diagram. In reality, the I3 will be formed along this line, isn't it? It will form at this place. In reality, we are not going through the real diagram basically. No need to study the real diagram, isn't it? We are not studying ray optics. That is in class 10. Now, try to tell me this for this I3, what is the object? Basically, the object is I1, isn't it? Because yeah, object was I1 because light ray was coming from I1 and it is going to M2, M1, and it is getting reflected. That's why the for I3 the object is I1. Is this okay? So the number of images will be 3. Okay. Now another thing is that suppose this is the plane mirror. This is another plane mirror. Isn't it? Now suppose the object is kept at this place. What is the number of images? This is M1, this is M2. I'm waiting for your reply. Try to tell me. Yeah, tell me fast. What will be? Yeah, think on it. First, think on it. Think carefully. What is the answer? Then tell me what will be the number of images formed. Okay, 2. So you type 3 times. 2, 2, 2. You are so confident. Okay, good. Other students? Okay, one student is saying 3 and one student is saying 1. Now this time, this student whose name is Vasisht Sai, he is correct actually, he or she is correct. Is this okay? Because the number of images is only 1. How it will be 2 images? Try to think on it. There will be a direct image at this place in M2. This is I1, which is direct from M2, isn't it? Is there any direct image in M1? No, obviously not, because this is towards the reflecting surface. No, this is towards the silvered surface. So there is no direct image in M1. Now suppose if light ray will go from this place, can it reflect back to reach M1? No, it will reflect back in this direction, isn't it? If suppose light ray is going to this place, also it will be reflecting like this. So after reflection, light ray is not falling to M1. So there will be no image formed in M1, isn't it? So only one image, that is the direct image in M2 will be formed. Is this okay? So the number of images will be only 1 this time. Is this okay? So sometimes what I am trying to say you, sometimes try to apply your common sense. Just not remember that if this is infinity, this is a parallel mirror, so the answer would be infinity, infinity. No, obviously no, isn't it? No. One more question, and that will be the last question of today. This question is, everyone has to reply it. Very easy. Suppose this is M1, this is M2, and there is an object at this place. What is the number of images? Number of images, tell me. One student replied 4. Another? Any more answer? You have to give the answer, isn't it? 4, okay. Any more reply? Four. Everyone is giving the answer 4. Okay. 4 is incorrect answer. I don't think why you are replying 4. The number of images is infinity basically. If this mirror is overlapping, suppose I cut this section and this section, then again this is the object in between the infinite, in between the plane, two plane mirrors, two parallel plane mirrors. So number of images will be infinity. Why it will be only 4? Isn't it? It will go like this to have multiple reflections. We can't even draw it because light are at a very a small distance apart from each other, isn't it? That is in nanometer. So several light will be crossing through it, isn't it? From this overlap point, several light is crossing from it. Is this okay? So multiple reflection will take place obviously, and the number of images will be infinity in this case. So if plane mirror is overlapping each other, and if the object is kept in between, the number of images will be infinity. So that's it. This is now okay, I think. So this is all about today class. Today class, I'm going to end today class. This is the today class, and just you have to read this class note, read the class note, and try to think while I travels in a straight line. I will ask you in the next lecture, and purchase SC Verma book as soon as possible. Okay, bye.